It's the 31st of July, 2022. It has been the driest July month here in the UK for over 100 years. We haven't had rain for such a long time. But despite all the dry weather, we're still having a fantastic gardening season.
Today we're going to be harvesting a lot of our Deshi vegetables.
Stay with us till the end, and before you forget, please like the video. And if you're new to our channel, hit that subscribe button. Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. If you're new to our channel, I'm Akibullah.
I'm Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum.
So without further ado, Dad, let's start harvesting.
Let's start harvesting.
Today we'll be harvesting some of our biggest khodus of this season. The mighty butter gourd, the Bagan, lauki. But before we do that, I think we should start off by harvesting the beautiful looking sisinda. We've got quite a lot to harvest.
I think we should. We have quite a few in the back of the garden. But let's start with the front of the garden. I want to show everyone this beautiful looking snake gourd, the sisinda.
Oh wow. Doesn't this look beautiful?
Isn't that amazing? Being able to grow sisindas in the UK. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
But this one, Akib, we're not going to harvest. We're going to keep this for seed. We have plenty more in the back of the garden to harvest. But I think you have a bitter gourd here to harvest.
Yes, I'll harvest that one.
Yes, I think you should harvest this one, Akib. So we get getting plenty of sisinda, mashallah. And this is a beautiful looking one, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a really big one.
Yes, but we're going to keep this for seed. It's a beautiful plant here. Okay, let's walk to the back end of the garden. Okay, Akib, you'll be amazed by this beautiful looking sisinda.
Oh wow, this one looks amazing.
It looks like a snake.
Yes, it does. It's like a rattlesnake.
And this is not the only one here, Akib. We have more.
Oh my days. It's stuck.
Oh, look at this. So there's one here, and we can harvest
this one over here.
This one here. And we have more. Oh, look at this.
They're camouflaged with the leaves.
Yes, so beautiful looking sisinda. I'm really pleased with my sisindas today.
And we're getting quite a lot of them.
Yes, we're getting plenty. So it's a beautiful looking plant. It's on this cage here. And we are getting nice looking sisindas. So I think, okay, you should harvest this one first. Let's see if I can do this. Let's see if I'm able to manage.
Don't whip the plant, Dad.
All right, let me try this. Oh, no, it's not possible. Just cut it there. Oh wow! Isn't that nice?
Yes, it is. It's very nice. Oh, this is a big one.
This is a big one, yes.
I got it.
You got it there?
Yeah. This one actually looks like a rattlesnake.
It does.
It's got the tail.
Okay, let's walk to the back end of the garden, Akib.
Oh wow!
Oh, that's nice.
Look at this, guys.
That is nice.
This is a really big one.
Oh,
This is beautiful.
this is beautiful. And we are, mashallah, getting plenty. That's a nice looking one, Akib. Okay, so let's harvest this one.
Oh yeah,
Just make sure you don't cut the plant.
Yeah, I got it. This is a really good looking one.
Okay, let me look at it. Oh wow. All right, put it with the others.
It smells nice and fresh.
Okay, now let me walk at the back here. So plenty of tomatoes. I'm going to harvest this tomato actually.
There's another one.
There's
there.
a few more here. And just harvest along whatever we find. Okay. All right, look. Oh my God, look at this one. Look at this one, beautiful.
That is beautiful.
That is beautiful.
Okay,
so harvest this one. Oh, I think this is bigger than the other one.
Let's see. Oh yeah.
Okay, let's put them with the others. Okay, so plenty more sisinda. Oh my God, I can show this. Oh, this is beautiful looking here. This is big one. This is a big one.
I didn't even see that one.
Oh, should we leave that on the plant for a little longer?
No, I think we should harvest this.
You see? Okay.
Yeah,
then.
it's gone big.
All right, let me have a look. Let me have a look. Let me have a look. Yes, that's a big one. Can you manage?
Wait, I got it.
Oh, I like to hold that. That's nice. Isn't this amazing? Being able to grow subtropical Deshi vegetables in the UK. It's amazing. All right, so we've got 3, 4, 5. Isn't that? We don't want any more here. We're far too many, but we're getting plenty more. So this is 31st July, and we still have 1.5 months left of the season. Hopefully we have good weather. We should get plenty more. Should we get a few more tomatoes?
Yes, there's a tomato over here.
Okay, so I'm gonna get this one. I'm going to see my cousin today, and she likes green tomatoes to cook her tenga. I'm gonna just take a few for her. Okay, should we check what's inside the greenhouse?
Yes, let's check it out. Look at that.
Oh, these bitter gourd we kept for seed. I think you should harvest this, Akib.
Yes,
this is we can harvest this, and this is for seed.
Wow.
Isn't that a mighty khodu?
Yes, it is. This is incredible. We're having a great season for khodus this year. We probably already harvested around 50 khodus, and it's only the 31st of July, and we have plenty more to go. Whoa! It's a big one.
That's a big one. That's
Yes.
a nice one. And look at the amount of Trinidad scorpion. Look at those beautiful looking, hot, some of the hottest chilies in the world. Okay, I think you should harvest few tomatoes.
Yes.
Take this bowl and give me the khodu.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, I'm having fun. This
Me
is
too.
good.
I'm having so much fun.
This is good.
The beef tomatoes, my favorite.
More tomatoes here.
That's the money maker tomatoes.
The tomatoes outside are doing really well. Let me show everyone.
I think these are our longest khodus.
Now these are beautiful, mighty khodus. Oh wow, wow, wow.
Oh my days, these are so long.
Hey, look at them. This is just under 1 meter.
Wow.
All right, we're gonna have to have both of them. Can you manage? Should I hold this for you?
Hold it,
I
Dad.
hold this for you.
I don't want it to drop.
Oops. Oh, that is
Whoa.
heavy. That is heavy. I think you should harvest that one. Can you manage?
Yes.
Make sure you support the khodu properly.
Oh, it just came off.
All right. Come out, Akib. Come out. This is long. This is heavy.
Look at this.
These are twins. Oh, they look nice. If we get rain few weeks, we'll get bigger harvest in a few weeks' time.
Whoa, really heavy.
Yes, shoulder press.
Yeah.
Take it down. One more time. Yes.
They're so heavy.
It is beautiful aubergine here. Oh, nice.
Which variety is this? Is this that?
This is the Black Beauty. I think this is the Italian Black Beauty. It looks beautiful. And this is your shooting star.
Dad, do you think I should harvest
This one?
this one over here?
No, I think we should leave this on the plant for a little longer, Akib, okay?
Okay.
It's alright. Carefully take it down.
There.
Now behind you we should have a few more. Let me just... there's one more here. And there's another one here, look. There's another one here. So, hopefully in another 2 or 3 days time, we're going to get more khodus. More. We have some uri, seam, but I don't think they're quite ready yet. We could harvest, but let's just
No,
wait.
let's just leave them for a little longer.
Yeah, so we can harvest all together.
I can't wait to harvest some uris and make some delicious fish curry with it.
They look beautiful, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
They look amazing.
They all look like one
All
little
nice,
family.
one big family, brothers and sisters. Ho, ho, ho. Okay, do we have any kira to harvest? We harvested all the kiras. There's one kira keep at the back
At the back.
by the kitchen. Do you see it?
Yes, I've seen it.
All right.
Yes, Dad, I can see it.
Oh yes, I'm looking forward to this kira.
Is it?
Shall I hold this for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't cut your fingers, whatever you do. Oh. All right. Let's put this with the others. Harvest this one and this one here. Now guys, are you guys impressed? Are you inspired by all this? I hope you guys are. Gonna keep.
It's got a strong stem.
It is. It really has. Oh wow. Oh, look at this Akib.
It's a nice one.
It's a beautiful looking eggplant.
We can make some delicious picoras with this.
Yes. All right, let's put this down and let's harvest this. Oh my God, look at this one. So shiny.
Yeah. That means
So
it's
glossy.
ready to harvest.
Yes. Okay, let me hold this for
Hold
you.
it from the bottom.
That's
there.
better. That is beautiful.
The shears just snap it off.
That's beautiful. Okay, look at that. I just like to look at them. They're so nice.
Whoa, look at these red chilies.
Okay. And those white Caspers.
We made pakoras with these the other day, and they tasted brilliant. They were amazing.
They're delicious. These eggplants here, they make beautiful pakoras. Oh, look at that, beautiful looking chilies. We love our chilies in this garden. Should we harvest a few white Casper?
Yes, that's what I'm doing, Dad.
That looks beautiful. Oh, ho, ho. Put it in here, Kib. Turn this plant around. Let's show everyone. Let's inspire everyone. Do it slowly.
Whoa, so many eggplants.
Okay, any
the
more
one
to harvest from this plant?
This one I could harvest.
Yes, you could harvest this one. Let's harvest this one. I think you should harvest the shooting star.
Yes.
This one here. That's a beautiful looking one, isn't it?
Yeah, I really like the color of this. It's got the purple and the white.
It's got a lot of tones, so be careful. Let me hold this here. Where you hold you? Oh, look at this! And finally, looks like we're gonna get some rain. Can you feel the drizzle?
Yes, I could feel it on my hands.
Yes, that's a beautiful looking one. Amazing harvest.
Yeah, this is incredible. This is an amazing harvest.
Rewarding. Now, we could have left this on the plant for a little longer. It's still very tender, this variety. This will have grown bigger. And this is fine. If we leave this on the plant for any longer, it's starting to harden. But this variety here, this goes a bit bigger.
It's already starting to touch the ground, Dad.
Like egg. Oh, it's cool.
Spiky.
Oh God, it's got sharp spikes on them.
The shooting star.
Shooting star.
And the Deshi Kira.
And the Deshi Kira. Beautiful. Now, in this bowl we have beautiful looking Sisinda.
Snake gourd.
Snake gourd. Isn't that amazing? I really hope you enjoyed harvesting with us today. If you have, please don't forget to share this video among your friends. Get them to grow their own fruits and vegetables. And yes, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up.
As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. And don't forget to leave us a comment, letting us know how you're finding our videos. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum. And until then, I'll see you in the next one.
Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, so...
Dad, this was an amazing harvest.
It was. Every harvest is an amazing harvest. All the hard work is
paying off.
Is paying off now. I really like the look of these beautiful khodus.
I really like these snake gourds.
Yes. We're going to have a nice snake gourd and prawn curry today.